I think we'll do beets and onions this morning. There's a nice beet. And here is an onion. I think that's all I got left in here. Oh, here's another one. There. Beets and onions and eggs.
I planted gray shallots in here. They just kind of disappeared. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Looks like this is the last one. There must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them on that one. Okay. Let's pull this thing out of here. Look at all these in this one. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 shallots from one. And they were probably the size of, they weren't that big even. Oh, there might be 21 because there's a little side one here. 21. They're probably that size when they gave them to me. 21. One turned into 21. Hey, that's worth working with. I picked them too late though because the stems are gone. I'm going to have to dry them on a screen. I think some of these are starting to sprout again. Maybe we'll plant some right now. See what happens. That'll be hung in the shed. And then these guys, I'm going to have to find a screen. Came to check on the black raspberries. And they're ripe. Lots of them are ripe. There's a nice sight. We have black raspberries here. And a little bit over, we have grapes. I pronounce it Frontenac grapes, but I guess there's some French pronunciation difference there. These are Bristols grown in the shade. Yeah, that's a little bit not ripe enough. When you get them red like that, they're just a little bit tart. If you wait until they're really soft, then they're all sweet. Hey, that's all black there. No, that's still got some red on it. They're still good. There's a black one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a. I use a big cup so I can hold it in one hand. Pick with the other. Ooh, there's 3 dandies right here. 4 of them. 5 of them. They just keep multiplying. These are the mainstays. These are the ones I've had in the yard for a long time. And they're still small and green yet. I can see the Janines. They're big berries too, look at that. Some black ones of those. Yeah, I'll come back. It's lunchtime now. Come back later. This one looks like it's ready. Oh yeah. Not yet. Only the one. big peas. There's some big peas right there. There's a pile of peas I just picked. 2 pockets full. These kerns are overripe. Some of them look pretty good. We're just going to go ahead and do a little picking here and see what we get. This is the first time I picked off this bush to actually save some of them. I've been eating them as I come back here. Now a lot of them are getting overripe. I got it pretty well cleaned off now. It's just too freaking hot to stand. Supposed to even be worse tomorrow. Let's see, do a taste test first. I don't know, maybe not quite. Yeah, a lot of berries in there. They're smaller though. I don't think they're quite ripe. After this weekend with all the heat, they'll be ready. I know where you can get some raspberries. Let's get those. That's a big one right there. So that's all the red berries I'm going to be able to pick for today. I've got white ones and I've got some jossa berries that are getting close. But I don't know, it's pretty hot out here. Let's see what I do. By the way, the raspberries are kind of some tart thing. I think it's a hybridized berry. But they're okay. I eat them. This is the next kohlrabi in a line of what was 7. Now we're down to 4, or soon we're going to be down to 3. This here is a Swiss chard that I've got kind of in here too. It's part of the deal where it's been really solidly shaded. Now that I'm taking the kohlrabi out, it's starting to grow. And I've got another one that I just pulled out of the ground because it started going to seed, but this one's not going to seed because it was in the shade. Now you can't eat too much Swiss chard or something in it, I forget what it is. But you can eat some. And I want to have a little regular batch of fresh stuff maybe once a week. That's how I roll. And that is our harvest for today's meal right here. Let's get it there. And we can put this leaf here as decoration. See, there you go. There you go. Look at it. That makes a good picture right there, right? So just the ongoing harvest of my garden, fresh. Lots of people don't get to do this. I feel bad for them. I wish they could. You don't want to get free cheese from the government because that ain't very healthy to be eating cheese all the time. So there it is. Okay. I'm gonna grab a couple currants on my way in. Eat on my way up to the house. Time to pick on our hybridized tayberry. See, there's some even falling on the ground already. Yeah, they're ready. Not too bad. These are big ones. Yeah. I planted a tayberry here, and those are really good flavored, but it didn't survive. At least I thought this was the tayberry. I think what has happened is it hybridized with some of my strawberries, or some of my raspberries that are located on site. And the tayberry is already a hybrid. So the seeds of these things come up, and man, this is really prolific. I mean, they're growing like crazy. And there's a lot of berries. So I gotta get to work doing this because we got a big rainstorm coming, lots of wind. I don't want these things to get knocked on the ground. Some of these are pretty soft and they'll just fall right off. I think that one's really soft. Got bugs all over it already. I'm busy fishing and I'm not getting all this stuff.